everybody, welcome back to Resident Evil. Alright, so I realize that I probably didn't do the smartest thing in the world. I am fully stocked on all of my stuff. I have no space in any of my inventory, which probably was not the smartest thing I could have done. But I am going to see. Actually, you know what? What is that? What is that? Oh. Birds. Those weren't there before. Go up easy. I don't know if that is concerning or not. That kind of freaked me out a little bit. I think I'm going the right way. I don't know. It's locked from the other side. So I honestly don't really remember where I left off at. Let me see something. I need my map. I think I need to go back. What do I even have in my inventory? I don't even know. I want to see something. Okay, well. Oh, do I not have the cursed book anymore? I don't have the cursed book anymore. You use the sword key. Oh, so this is new. Oh. Hello? I don't like to. Oh, there you are. Oh no. I think this is where I die. Oh no. Okay. I have no more ammo. What should I do? Hey. Man. Get me in here. I need more ammo. Oh, I'm outside. I don't think this is good. There's some herbs that I could use to heal, but I have no space in my inventory, so that's nice. Where am I? That's cool, I guess. Could have just went straight, but I went the long way around. Okay. Well, let's see. Here's a door. Good. This could be even worse situation. No, I have been here. Okay. I don't see anything. What if herb that grows wild in this region? That doesn't really help me at all. Play with fire, love Jessica. Okay, well, that doesn't really help me either. That don't help. Oh, guys, I may not have a choice here. I may have to just die. Interesting. This is where I die. If I hurry. Oh. Oh, uh-huh. Yep. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. No. Kill him. Did I get him? I think I got him. It's locked. An emblem of a helmet. I unlocked it. Okay, this is great. This is a scary door. Ugh. Yep, I know where I'm at. Interesting, interesting. Oh, let me go downstairs. Downstairs I go. I don't think I killed him. Have I? I don't remember killing him. I used the lockpick. I'm just opening a lot of doors now. I don't understand it. What is that? You can't carry any more items. Ooh. Yes, I will take the ink ribbon. Could always use some more ink ribbon. Okay. Yeah, that shotgun would be real nice right about now. Okay, hang on. Is this where I came from? No, it is not. Where is this? Ooh. Good. First aid spray. Ah. Can I? I can. Okay. Interesting. I'm gonna hold on to the key. I'll hold on to the lighter. Okay. Interesting, interesting. Didn't know this was here. Now I'm good. Hang on. Oops. That's not what I wanted. well-used bed. It's an old typewriter. You can save your progress. I will do no such thing right now, but it's good to know that there is another typewriter. Okay, got a couple of typewriters. And item, oh good. So it marks it on the map for me, cool. Well, that is an awesome find. I am so glad I found that. I'm gonna check this other door. It's locked. An emblem of armor is carved out. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Okay, so let's go back through here. Oh, this. Oh, wait. Broken shotgun. Yes, I will. Let's see if I can do something with it. Examine. Okay. Well, there's no need to be in here anymore. I am so glad I found that item box. Oh man. Oh. This is not what I wanted. Well, let's see here. I am in here. I need to check those doors. That leads me outside. Try going this way. That's not what I wanted. Another door on the other side. It says it's locked. Let me see if I can get in. Nope. Okay. Okay. Helmet. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna save my progress because I've got some good finds in this episode. I got some good stuff. So today is a definite use of this typewriter. Alright, well that is it for this episode. So far things are getting a lot more interesting. Those ravens or crows, whatever they are, scared the bejesus out of me. I don't know what they were or why they're even there. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. If you like what you saw and you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you want to help the channel grow, go ahead and share it with your friends, family on Facebook, Twitter, or any other social medias. And as always, I hope to see you in the next one.